Hello, today we're gonna show you how we will flash and repair IMEI for Honor 8S using pack 6. You can download last version from support. Here you have to choose for repair IMEI, select repair IMEI, press connect. Software will ask you to enter IMEIs. When we are done, we will connect the test point. As you can see, the test point is the first one up here. We'll upload it to support. As you can see, I will connect test point right now. Then software will detect the phone. As you can see, software detects the phone. You can remove test point after soft detected. As you can see, selected model is Honor 8S. You can find this version in support area already. Now we will follow the software. It's ask us to disconnect cable, then connect cable again. Phone is detected. Now phone should enter fast boot. It's detected. As you can see, we will wait for a few minutes. As you can see, IMEI is repaired. We will turn on the phone right now to check if all went okay or not. Flash file is uploaded already to support area. Let's check the IMEI. Wait for a few minutes. Our software is safe, and we are the world first who have added this model. Flash file already in support area. We'll wait for a few minutes till phone power up. Phone is power up. Let's see. Let's check the IMEI. As you can see, it's one IMEI and IMEI already repaired. Now we will test flashing. This is flash file which is already uploaded into support area. It's already loaded. Now when we press connect, it will ask to connect test point. Now we'll connect the test point. As you can see, test point attached. As you can see, it's detected. The moment software detects phone, we can release test point. As you can see, flash in process. Our software is safe, fast. Hopefully you enjoyed Furiousgold. You enjoyed this video. Any questions are welcome in the forum. Thank you so much.